Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about how much protein is too much protein on a ketogenic diet, okay? Now it's kind of a difficult question because you have so many variables. You have the person's age. For example, if they're 21 or 18, they're going to need more protein than someone like me that's 30 years old, right? And then you have digestion, the ability to digest the protein, the acid in the stomach. If they don't have enough acid, then they're not going to, it's not going to be a good situation. Or let's say they're under massive stress, they're going to need a little bit more protein. Or if their metabolism is low, if they have hypothyroidism or some other issue, well, then they can't consume that much protein because it's going to overload the liver. And then if they're exercising, they need a little bit more, okay? So I have a rule of thumb, a formula that you can use, okay? And this is kind of like the top end, like you don't want to go more than this because too much protein will convert to insulin and stop your ketosis. Too much insulin, too much protein could also mess up your liver and the kidneys because it's just too much for it to process. So here it is. Do not consume greater than 0.8 grams times your body weight. Okay. So I'm 6'2", I weigh 195 pounds, right? If we take that times 0.8, that equals 156 grams per day. If we divide it by 3, like 3 meals, that comes out to 52 grams of protein per meal. I don't want to exceed that, okay? So what does that look like? Well, if you ate 8 ounces of chicken, that's 62 grams, so it's a little bit more. 8 ounces of steak is 52 grams, so that would equal exactly what I calculated per meal. And then 8 ounces of fish is 45 grams. And I do notice that I can actually eat a little bit more fish and not feel as bloated. So this is something that I probably would not want to exceed because, for example, my body runs really good on about 5 ounces of protein. So I'm going to cut this back a little bit. Maybe I'll do 6 ounces of fish, probably 5 ounces of chicken or 5 ounces of steak. I do really good on that. So the best way is to, you can use the formula, but just see how you feel and see how you do. Let's see if is your energy high. Sometimes if your diet is too low in protein, you're going to be fatigued. So you want to monitor how you feel to get that sweet spot, but everyone is different. All right? These are just guidelines, so tell me what you think. Put your comments below. Press it. Forget it, I'm done. Press the subscribe button and I will keep you updated on the future events.